today in this video I'm going to share with you guys a budget friendly and a beautiful vanity box. First of all, I'd like to show you how this vanity box looks like overall. So guys, first of all I'll show you how this vanity box looks overall. Just have a look at it. It has a combination of metal as well as fiber, and it has got a really beautiful color, peach color. If you can see, this is a metallic peach color, and it has also got this very beautiful lock system which makes it perfect. And yes, the key was given inside this box itself, and this is a very lightweight box which attracted me the most because I never wanted a very heavy and huge vanity box. Also, I wanted it to be very budget friendly, so I chose this one. And coming to the price, I bought this beautiful piece for only rupees 1100. So now is the time when I'll show you what all products which I have kept in this, and what are the essential products which you should carry with you if you're getting married this year, or whenever you're watching this video. This will always help you. So let's get inside this. So guys, as I open this lid, this transparent lid, you can see the products. Before that, I would like to show you that there are two such red palettes present on the top. Also, there are two more same palettes present beneath it, and there's a hollow box inside it. So overall, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 blocks, which makes this whole more spacious product. Now I'll show you one by one what all products I have kept in this, which are really very essential for the bride to be. So guys, I am enlisting my eye products first of all. So the first product which I am taking is the Maybelline New York Volume Express Mascara. So this one was about rupees 268 when I bought this from Nykaa, and I'll show you from inside. This has got a really good brush. If you can see, the second most important thing which I bought from my eyes was Lakme Iconic Liner Pen, which is a block tip liner which helped me creating a really beautiful winged eyeliner. The third and the most important, which is used by most of the girls, is the liquid eyeliner, the Lakme Insta Eyeliner, which is water resistant, and it costs about rupees 108, and I also bought this one from Nykaa itself. Coming to the third thing which you see, you must be wondering why I'm using this nude color in my eyes. So this is basically Wet n Wild color Icon Koval liner pencil with the shade Calling Your Buff. So I was using it for my waterline, and it was looking very good on my eyes. So I would recommend this to you because for brides, the eyes makes them more beautiful, I believe. So yes, you can order this online. The price of this one was for rupees 135 only. Coming to the fourth thing, that was the very common thing, that was Lakme Iconic Kajal, which costs about only 180 rupees, which I'm sure you must be having this one. Also, the most important and the second last product from my eyes was my eyebrow pencil. So this is I guess the label has been washed off for my because of my regular use. So this is the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, which comes with a beautiful small brush, and this is in the shade dark brown, and the price of this one was only rupees 75. Coming to the last and the most attractive thing you see here is the Miss Claire eyeshadow palette, which has, you know, the basic eyeshadow shades which you must have. Frankly speaking, I was never a eyeshadow person, but this one I just bought it because, you know, it was my wedding and I never wanted to miss any of the makeup product. So I just bought this for rupees 260 from Nykaa itself. So guys, coming to the base makeup, first of all, I would like to talk about my foundation. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation in the shade 228, that is soft tan, if you can see this. And this the cost of this product was around 500 rupees. I bought this online only from Nykaa, of course. And then the concealer which I used was also Maybelline Fit Me concealer, the liquid concealer in the shade 40 caramel. And the cost of this one was 404. You know, there was this discount sale going on Nykaa, so I bought this one from there. So coming to my third product, that was the Maybelline Compact in the shade light beige, and the cost of this one was around 200 or 199 to be precise. And you know, on the days when you don't want to put too much of foundation like me, so I always carried this Garnier BB cream. This is a really beautiful BB cream, and this gives you a very natural color. So the cost of this one was around rupees 165. So yes, so this was for my base makeup. You know, I think without a blush and a highlighter, your makeup is totally incomplete. So I bought these Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo palette for rupees 524, and this had 2 shades in it, and the most frequently which I used was the pink shade. It, you know, suited me a lot. Coming to the contour palette, which you can see, this is a very compact and a very suitable contour palette which also has a highlighter in it. If you want me to show the shade, so yes, this is the contour and this one is the highlighter. So this also the cost of this was also around rupees 524. Also, along with this palette, I would like to mention that I bought these 2 beautiful brushes. This one the blush brush and this one the fan brush for highlighter and contouring, which I used. This one I bought from Flipkart for rupees 130 only. Yes, rupees 130 only. And this one for rupees 114 only. And this is a super soft brush. So guys, talking about the most important thing, you know, in a makeup, coming to the lip colors, yes, I have these few lip colors which is a must actually. I must say these colors are the must have for a bride. So coming to the first lipstick I have is the L18 Color Pops matte lip color, which is in the shade Red Wave. I'll show you. This is the shade Red Wave, and I believe that red color is a must for all the brides, and this one was the cheapest which I bought in my vanity box. This was for only rupees 100. Second, coming to a nude lip color which I had was Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Lipstick. So this was in the shade, I forgot the name of the shade. This was in the shade Brown Ashes. Yes, so this was in the shade Brown Ashes, if you can see. Yes, so this was for around 299, only 300 rupees again. Then coming to my third lip color, was Lakme 925. This is a really beautiful color, guys. The name of this shade is Rosette Motif, and Rosette Motif is a really beautiful color. Again, a very good nude color, a pinkish nude color. You know, this is a must when you don't like to put red color, because you know red doesn't look that good all the time. So this the cost of this one was around rupees 317 only. So this was again a really good color for bride. Then I have this Color Essence Gold. This is a very deep red color, the main color for a bride. So this is a red color, a very good matte shade. This is my favorite among all of these. So the cost of this one was around 600. Coming to the liquid lip colors, I had Lakme Forever Matte Lip Color. This was in the shade Crimson Red. So this is the shade. This is again a shade of red, which is a must for all the brides. Again, if you go to the pink shade of the same Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color, this was my second favorite apart from the red ones. This is the shade Fuchsia Chick. Sorry, it's Fuchsia Chick. So this is the shade. I would like to zoom the camera here. So this was the shade. So coming to another nude color when you don't like to put over, you know, red lipsticks. This was the Nykaa mini lipstick. This was a nude color, and the cost of this one was around rupees 200, I guess. Yes. And the shade was, sorry, I forgot to mention the shade of this one. The shade was Naughty Nude. Now these are all the lip colors I have, and also I would like to mention that lip liners which you see here are the essential part of your makeup also. I have these 3 lip liners. This one from In Colors Longwear Lip Pencil. This was in the shade L14 Deep Maroon. This was for, you know, rupees just 65. You know, if you get a really good matte lip liner. I'll show you a swatch of this. So this, you know, this one was really good. The second was in the shade Cranberry, again from In Color Intense Longwear Lip Pencil. I'll show you the difference in the shade. This is a slightly light in color. And then I have this Miss Claire Glimmer Sticks for lips. The cost of this one was also around 65, I guess, and the shade was Misty Maroon. I'll show you the difference in their shades. So this was the reason I wanted a lip liner, you know. It makes your lipstick look more perfect. So this was all about the lip makeup. So guys, after that I would like to talk about the most important thing which we tend to forget. After marriage we will require them. So the sindoor and the bindi. So the sindoor, liquid sindoor, which I bought for, you know, after marriage, was the Lakme Jewel Sindoor. The cost of this one was around, I guess, 250 to 300, and this is a really good maroon shade which I have. Then I also bought a Teen waterproof liquid sindoor, and this was in the shade red because I was not getting red in Lakme, so I prefer this one. But trust me, this one is also really good. Coming to the third thing, the most important is the bindi. I use the Shilpa Gold bindi for now, and as you can see, I've used most of them. And this is the guys, apart from makeup, I would also like to mention these very essential products which you should never forget to keep in your vanity box. And I'm sure you must be noticing this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, you know, for removing your makeup. The cost of this one was around rupees 165 or 175. I'm not sure about it, but this is a very good makeup remover. And as a beginner, if you don't have any idea as to which makeup remover you should use, I would like to recommend you this one. Along with that, you can order online. This one also I ordered from Nykaa itself. Do not forget to keep cotton pads in your makeup box, since makeup remove technically you will need it, because you are not going to ask for spare cotton from everyone after marriage, so you should have these one. And this was about rupees 99 only, and there were, I guess, 50 cotton pads in this. This is a new pack which I have ordered online now. So also don't forget to keep these earbuds, which are really helpful in removing the makeup mistakes you make, especially in the eyeliners. Also, since you have noticed, I have not mentioned any kind of primer in my vanity box, because I was using Saundarya Patanjali aloe vera gel as a primer, and trust me, if you use this, you don't need any other primer for your makeup. So guys, as you have seen all of the products which I have in it, so if you have enjoyed the video and if you find this one useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.